Airport police again arrested another accused person in relation with the murder of Bharatratna Club Secretary Durga Prasanna Deb. Name of the arrested is Akash Kar. RPF police arrested him from the railway station of Jharkhand on Thursday night. Later, police brought him to the state by flight on Saturday morning with a transit remand. On the last 30th of April, Bharatratna Club Secretary Durga Prasanna Deb was shot dead, and the police were investigating the case. Until now, police has arrested 3 accused who are related with the incident. Likewise, based on the confidential sources, RPF police arrested an accused named Akash Kar from Jharkhand railway station on Thursday night. It is known that he was also involved in the murder of Bharatratna Club Secretary Durga Prasanna Deb. Later, to bring him to the state, Tripura police paved their way towards Jharkhand on Friday evening. Later, police brought him to the state by flight on Saturday morning with a transit remand. After Akash Kar was brought to the state, he was taken to Agartala GP Hospital for check-up with strict security. Later, airport police took Akash Kar to airport police station after his medical test was done in the hospital. Besides, police has also presented him to the court by asking 10 days remand. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.